Hello everyone! Today we wanna make the most amazing burger. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? Add ketchup, mustard sauce, oyster sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, honey, seasoned dry tomatoes, black pepper and salt to the mincemeat with 30% fat and mix well. I promise the raw smell of this meat will drive you crazy. Also, the video of flavoring dry tomatoes is above. Let it rest for an hour. For the burger base sauce, we need eggs, garlic, dried tomatoes, mustard, lemon juice, paprika powder, red pepper and salt. Pour all the ingredients into a mixer pitcher. While mixing, add cold olive oil to it slowly to achieve this texture. Our red aioli sauce is ready. Cut the cherry tomatoes. Chop the red chili pepper finely and add it. And then chop the strawberries. Add salsa, dried mint, chili flakes, salt, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar to the vegetables and stir well. Let it rest for half an hour. Our red salsa is ready. Add feta cheese, mozzarella, butter, a little salt, paprika powder, chili flakes, chopped red chili to the pan and melt it with low heat until the dip gets ready. Great! Start cooking the meat in any way you like. We don't have much time to live. We should love each other more. Cook for each other and love unconditionally so that the world becomes a more beautiful place. I love you guys. I love you.